Guys, should we lift this Eclipse, make it a rally car, go off-road with it, or should we slam it all the way down? Y'all tell us. What do you think would be good? We're getting some work done. What are you working on, Damien? Cold air intake? Yeah. Taking it off? I'm working on the car. Uh-huh. What have we done so far?
We've been doing the windows.
Uh-huh.
And we got the door handles out.
Got the door handles out. Nice. Let's go look at the new ones. That's right. We got some epoxy on them. And show me what you were working on.
I was taking off the
hose clamps for that. All right, cool.